Hello. Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a big Young Living box. I'm pretty excited to get into it, guys. So I thought I'd just jump on here and share my monthly wellness box with you. I know some people enjoy checking out all Young Living's products and what they have to offer, and I like to share them. And hey, Abby, and go through all the awesome stuff and let you know how I use it. And this month I ordered some stuff for my friends too, so I will share their stuff as well. So they don't even know I'm going to do that, but I am. So, getting into my box, the first thing I'm kind of excited about is that they gave us a free calendar this month, and that's kind of fun because who doesn't need another calendar? And theirs always has fun, pretty pictures of their different farms and different cool things they're doing with the Young Living Foundation. They've got cool things they fund, awesome things they support, so that's super cool. But the first thing I got that I'm so excited about, because I haven't had in a couple months, because, you know, when you're budgeting your order, you have to pick and choose all the fun things that you want and need, and you have to prioritize them. Well, this month, I got my Ninja Red packets, and I'm super excited to have this again. Ninja Red is just an awesome antioxidant drink that really fills in the gaps for your nutrition. And if you've never heard of the Ningxia Wolfberry or the Ningxia Providence in China, you should check it out and learn all you can about Ninja Red and this awesome superfood drink. But I got a box of packets, and you drink one of these each day, and oh my gosh, it helps you feel good. That's all I can say. It's a good thing. And I did actually share, I did a bulk order on these, so I've got one lady who's going to get 5 of my packets, but the rest are all mine. I'm going to share some at our event, too. We're going to have a Ningxia bar, so that's going to be fun. And then I had a friend who wanted to order the amazing Thieves All-Purpose Cleaner. If you've never tried this stuff is amazing. This is super concentrated. You use 1 little capful in a big bottle and add water, and then you've got an awesome all-purpose cleaner. And guess what? No poison control label, because it's totally natural and is not going to hurt you or your family or your dogs or your cats. It's all good. And really, if you have not got the Think Dirty app and scanned your cleaners yet, please do, because you may be using something in your home that is really not good for you. Then, and I have been out of my conditioner. So I got my lavender mint shampoo and my vanilla copaiba conditioner. I have been hooked on Young Living shampoo and conditioner for, I don't know, probably over a year now. It's amazing stuff. It costs about the same as the stuff that you could buy in a salon, but not doesn't have any bad, harmful things in it, and smells amazing because, hey, Young Living oils are in there. So, and it makes my hair super nice. I do need a cut, but it does make my hair super nice. Then, on to the supplement world. I love Young Living supplements. See, a lot of people don't realize that Young Living is way more than oils. And the cool part is their oils are in everything, so their supplements are enhanced with oils. But we got 2 of the Sleep Essence supplement. This is actually for my husband. He loves this. He struggles with sleep and staying asleep, and he just loves this because it works really well for him. And he doesn't wake up feeling groggy like some prescription sleep meds and things like even over-the-counter sleep ones. So this is really great. And then he got another one because one of his friends at work, he was talking, I just love my husband that he was sharing about Young Living at work, but he was saying how it was helping him, and one of his friends wanted one. So one for us and one for his friend. So I'm excited to see how it helps his friend. I know I love these big tubes. I got one more supplement tube here thing. Because, man, I love their supplements. Inner Defense. If you don't have it, you should. This is one I feel like everyone should have in their house. It's a supplement that is basically filled with their therapeutic grade Vitality Thieves oil and oregano oil and other oils that are super good for boosting your immune system. And so this is my go-to when I'm around anybody who's sick, like I just take one and praise the Lord, I have not been getting sick. And in fact, last night, I had a scratchy throat, and everyone, I don't know if it's like this where you guys are living, but in Appleton, I swear everywhere I go, everyone is sick, either with some kind of stomach virus or they're sick with some kind of coughing congestion stuff. And so I'm just doing everything I can to support my immune system and keep myself above the wellness line. And last night I was kind of having a scratchy throat, and I just popped one of these, and today I'm feeling like, woo, 100%. So I love Inner Defense, and I will recommend it all the time. I also tell people to take Thieves in a capsule, Thieves Vitality in a capsule, or Oregano Vitality in a capsule, if they're around anyone who's not feeling well, or just during this time of year. But the nice part about this is it's ready-made and it's ready to go. And sometimes, we're all busy, and I know people don't always sit there and put the drops of oil in their capsule and take them, even though I know it would help them and they'd feel better. So this is really great to just do. And then I got free, because I placed a big order this month, a Life9 probiotic, and Young Living's probiotics are amazing, and I'm so grateful to get a free bottle of them this month. I also got free this month a spruce oil, which is really, I just love any of the tree oils. I'm a big fan of. I always think of trees and think of how strong they are, and I feel like emotionally, all the tree oils really are great for emotional support. So I got a free Northern Lights Black Spruce. Excited about that one. I'm going to get this box out of the way, but I got a bunch of oil tubes to go through. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to move the box because that's going to be so much more comfortable for me, guys. Okay, let's get into these oils, because now it's the fun part. I mean, all that stuff is fun. I love everything Young Living has. Now I did a trade with a friend where she had bought a really cool thing that had sticks that went in your tree, and then you put the Northern Lights Black Spruce oil on the little sticks so that your fake tree would smell amazing. And she had accidentally bought that on her order, I think in November. And I was like, I need that. I have a fake tree. And so I bought her on my order a jade lemon so she could add it to her Thieves Cleaner. Smells really awesome. If you've never done that and you're a Thieves Cleaner user, grab up some jade lemon and put a couple drops in when you make your spray bottle, and it's like an even better scent. If you can imagine Thieves Cleaner smelling better. And then I got an orange oil for her because she'd never used it, and she loves to diffuse. She wanted some scents to diffuse, and orange goes so good with like cinnamon. It goes good with spruce. It goes good with all kinds of stuff. So these are actually two for my friend, Jealous, because I would like to keep them. Sorry, my camera keeps going in and out. Lemon oil was another free one today. Love lemon oil. Add it to my water. I love just the way it smells. It's fresh. It's refreshing. You can cook with it. You really should have the Vitality. Wink, wink. But it's awesome. All right, I got some other oils in here. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I hope you're enjoying some stuff. Yeah, I should be reading these comments. Sorry. I need to get better at this live video stuff. But hey, I'm not going to get better if I don't do it, right? Look at this big bottle. This is a 15 milliliter of sacred frankincense that I got free. This is like a $100 bottle of oil. Got it free. Really excited about that. That's one of the benefits of Essential Rewards, folks. And sacred frankincense is a great oil. I love the way it smells. I love to diffuse it. If I'm doing some journaling or prayer time or reading, even during homeschool sometimes, it's really good. Good for your skin too. And then I got a free nutmeg oil. That was the other free promo. And Nutmeg Vitality. And this is like, I've heard and I've used nutmeg before. It's supposed to be really good for supporting your adrenal system. So I like to add it to tea and things like that. My dog keeps walking by in the background and throwing me off. Like, what's that thing moving back there? 10 minutes, man, I need to be faster. Okay, I shouldn't even be doing this because it's going to ruin the secret, but I got 2 Envision oils for 2 of my leaders that just hit star rank. I'm mailing out some gifties to them for hitting their rank and for working hard. So these are actually for 2 of my leaders, not for me, but I ordered it for them. And then I decided to try a new oil blend this month. I always like to try new things on my order, and so I ordered Awaken. And let's see, I'm not even sure what the combo is in here, so why don't I share it with you guys for fun? Let me see. My lighting is not very good in here right now. It has, oh, where is it? Oh my gosh, it has so many oils. Okay, it has Melissa, it has pine, it has juniper, it has lavender, it has, you know, these are all their, some labels have it in, you know, their common name, and some are in their Latin name. Is that what it is? And this one is in all their Latin names. So some of them I was able to figure out, bergamot, but other ones I can't figure out. So I'll have to look it up on Young Living's site, but Awaken oil. And I guess I was looking at this one because the price point was perfect for getting me to my promo that I wanted to get to. But also, I just am thinking through, like, I love to think about how we're each uniquely created, and God created us with special talents, and that we can use those to bring glory to Him. And so I was thinking about this oil, like, I would love to awaken any potential that I have not really come to terms with or identified in myself to share with others. So that was kind of my thinking when I picked out this oil. So I'm excited to try Awaken this month. I'll have to let you guys know. I'm actually just going to smell it right now because I'm curious all those oils. Ooh, it's really nice. It smells like what I'd want to wear for perfume. So anyway, guys, that is my unboxing. If you're just joining in, feel free to watch it. I make a lot of bloopers, and I'm not the best live video person, but I do go through some pretty cool supplements and things that I got in my order and why they're awesome. And if anyone ever has any questions, hit me up. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.